Hello. In this video, we'll see the alphabet K. So let's read here. This is Ka, K, K, Ko. Read it again. K, Ku, Ki, Ka, K, K, Ko. So let's write it together. This is the way we write K. I will do 7K, and finally this one K here. So let's add some features. So this is K, this is K. If I add this line here, it reads Ku, Ki, Ka, Ke. This one is a little bit different. You have to make a zigzag here and finally Ko. Okay, so what I'm saying is K is written like this, Ku, the second one is like that, Ki, Ka, Ke. This is a round here. K, look at this one. This is how I write it. And then I do this. Ko. Okay. So the first one is K. Second is Ku. Third is Ki. Ka. Ke. Ku. And finally Ko. All right. So guys, thank you for practicing Ke, Ku, Ki, Ka, Ke, Ki, Ko. And I will see you in the next video.